Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stampin' Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to continue with our Monday Mayhem using the Memories and More pack. It's called Sweet Thoughts. We're going to be using the card pack and the cards and envelopes. The cards and envelopes are card bases, okay? So I used all of the stuff up, so only thing I have to show you are the envelopes. Everything else is cut up and put together to make these cards that we're going to be doing, okay? So before we get started, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business. We have our paper pumpkin for February. You have till the 10th of February to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. It is called Sweet Springtime, 9 projects. Early Espresso is the stamp spot. You have a coordinating die set of Love of Spring dies. It's an add-on. You have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to purchase the add-on. It's $12 for 4 dies. That's the ordering number there. There's a link in our description box below for you to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin. These are our mystery boxes I have for sale. It's a box filled with about $200 worth of retired, new and used Stampin' Up product. I'm asking $25 for each box. It says $30 because February 1st, the price is going up to $30 because the shipping prices have gone up, okay? Right now, they're $25 till the end of January. I can only ship these and sell them in the U.S. So if you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Then we have our January host code. This is the code you need to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code, okay? You'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And especially during celebration, we do not want you to miss out on your rewards because you also get free products from Celebration when you spend $50 or more in a qualifying order, okay? So let's get started on some stamping. We're gonna, well, I don't even know if we're stamping because Memories and More have so many things in there, you don't even have to stamp. Okay, I've already gone ahead and decorated the inside of this card. This is one of the card bases that I have cut down to 5.5 by 4 1/4. They usually come 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. Okay, so let's get some glue. It looks like we're just going to be matting stuff together. So this is part of the envelope that I've cut down to 3.5 by 3.5. And then we're going to have a basic white that is 3 5/8 by 3 5/8. So let's put that on there. This looks like it's going to be a quick and easy card. I designed like 32, 36 cards, I think. I made some of them up ahead of time, and some I'm going to make with you on the video. Then this piece of Calypso Coral is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. I think that's what it says. Yep, it gives it a nice 1/4 inch border. Okay, and I think I am going to take our sentiment that was part of a Memories and More card pack, and I'm going to banner punch it the end here. If I can get it in here straight. Okay. Then I think we're going to do it like this. Let's go ahead and glue this down. Put that on our card base right there. Then we're going to glue this banner down. It says amazing. I'm going to take that right to the edge of the card. Then I have some of the stickers that come in the card pack. So we're going to take one of the stickers. I put them in these cases. It does not come in a case like this. I put them in the case for storage, easy storage. So we're going to grab a sticker, but I'm going to stick it to my pants. I'm sticking it to my pants, taking it off, sticking it, trying to get some of the sticky off. And we're going to add some Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of this because I want this popped up. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this, and we're going to add this to our card. And it says, "You are amazing." So we're just going to put that right there. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's get some bling. And I think on this one, we're going to use the sequence trio, the adhesive back sequence trio. This is the, I pulled out, I think, 4 different embellishments to use on these cards, but this one seems to be the winner. I think I'm using this one the most. Just put it there. Then we'll get another one. Put it right here on that flower. Okay, and that's our first card down. It's done. Cute, right? Okay, let me show you the next card we're going to be making. It is, my notes out of here. The inside is already done. It's using some of the Tartan Foil Designer Series paper, the specialty paper. It's an online exclusive. This is cut at 5 by 3 3/4. So the Pretty Peacock is 5 1/4 by 4 blue. Let's get this down. Am I using this side or this side? What am I using here? There. Let's put this down to our card, Matte Leia. I think I'm going to do it tone on tone, like that. Then we have some of the Memories and More card. This is one of the cards I cut. I think I cut this down to, did I cut it down? Yeah, I cut a little piece off. So it was 3 by 4. Looks like I cut like an 1/8 of an inch off to mat it onto a Pretty Peacock that's 3 by 4. And as you can see, my sentiment is already done. I heat embossed the thinking of you from Go To Greetings. It's the medium size one because there's 3 thinking of yous, and this is the medium one, the one in the middle. Let's go ahead and pop this onto our card base here. Not our card base, but to our other layers right here. Try to get it central. And then we're going to put this on our card front. This is the card front. I keep saying things like that. We're putting this onto the card base to make it our card front. Okay, and then we're going to pop up our sentiment on dimensionals. Getting down to the end of my dimensionals here. I'm just going to use 4. Ooh. Let's turn that one. It was kind of long. Okay, and then we're just going to pop this up about right here. And this strip is 4 1/4 by 3/4. Okay, and as you can see, the colors in here, I'm going to be using the sequence trio. But on this one, I am not using the Pretty Peacock. I'm going to use the white ones. This is so pretty. And I'll just put one right there on that flower. And that card is done. And I have a very simple card, a real quick one. This is one of the cards in the Memory and More. All I'm going to do, what does it say? I have notes. Add flower stickers, 2 small Pretty Peacock and 1 large Pretty Peacock light. Okay, so let's do that first. So let's get our stickers here. You have 3 different sheets, so we're going to do 1 large peacock light. Put that there. And 2 of the small, darker ones. Put that there. Where do I want this one? Right there. Didn't plan that. Okay. So now let's get this mounted onto our card base. So this is as simple as these cards can get. As you can just not even add stickers. I could have just mounted this down to the base and called it done. But just to decorate it up and use some of those stickers, you get 2 of each sticker sheet. Just like you get 2 of each card in your Memories and More card pack. Okay, so those are 3 cards we just put together. Now let me show you 3 that I made using the same little pattern of these right here. So I made this one, and it's using some of that tartan foil. This is part of this card. As you can see, little moments. I cut it right here. And I got this from a Memories More card. This is from the sticker sheet. Remember Sweet Little Moments. And 2 of those stickers are on there. I have some of the black and white gingham ribbon. Let's see, did I do the inside? Just a little decoration on the inside. Then I did this one. It's the other half of this card. So I took, that's the 2-inch circle punch. And I had to fussy cut the butterfly to get it into the circle punch so I wouldn't punch it off. Then in the back, we have some of that shimmer, soft shimmer specialty paper. And I used a decorative circle punch on that. We have some of our in color bling on both of these. Yeah, and then I took this part of the bottom and fussy cut it and just made it a decoration and put it on the back of that Memories and More. Not on the back, but on the front of a Memories and More card right there. Okay, then I did this one, and I used the Countryside in, I think, embossing folders is what it's called, and the Filled with Happiness stamp set and the Modern Oval Punch. That's what that is. Cute, right? Okay, so let's move on because we have 2 more cards to make. Yeah, because I told you I designed a lot of cards. So, oh, actually we only have 1 more card to make. So this one is 3 7/8 by 5 7/8. That's not right. Yes, it is. And we're going to mount this down to some pecan pie that is 6 by 4. And I probably shouldn't have did this yet, but I've gone ahead and done it now because I just realized I need to glue this down. This was a Memories and More card, and I cut the flowers off because I thought this was gorgeous. And I want to put it on here, and I need my words. This was another card. I cut this down to 3.5 by 3/4, it says, and I want to put this on here. Okay, so I want to put it about, where did I just have it? Third way, okay. We want to put it up to the third one. I want to make sure I don't cover up my words. Let's see, it can go even with that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and glue this down. These are easy things to do with these cards, so you don't have to use them as they are. You can cut and piece them together. I made 1 card. I'm gonna show you. I'm not sure if it's on this video, but I made it out of 3 different cards that I cut and pieced together. I used scraps. Ooh, I almost put that down wrong. There we go. That's pretty. Come on, come over. There we go. And then, oh, we need to put this on the base, right? That would be nice to get it on the card base. Just like that. And I think I'm going to use some what are these called? The in color dots. So these are our 23 to 25 in colors. Where's my take your pick tool? So this is wild wheat, but it goes really good with this crushed curry. Oh no, where'd it go? Come on. Put it right here in the center there. Let's put one about right there. Then we can have another one up here, just like that. We'll call that card done. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then I have some other cards that I made ahead of time. This is from this strip here, where I cut it off. And I stamped Make a Wish from Hooray for Surprises. And then this is just a part of a Memories and More card that I cut and put on there. This is Hooray for Surprises. Then this is made with just the Memories and More card that I backed with some basic black. Put on one of the ombre matte dots. There you have it, real simple. And our last card here is a full Memories and More card. And I took The World Needs More People Like You from one of the other Memories and More cards. Added a little black and white ribbon. Some sequins from the Sequence Trio. The insides of the blank on this one. Okay, so let's show you again the cards from today. So we have these. They're probably not all gonna fit. This, and this. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.